Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Do we have a wonderful video for you today? I am going to share with you where I'm at here in Deming, New Mexico. We're going to tour some communities so you guys can know the city of Deming, New Mexico. Small city, affordable living here in Deming, New Mexico. We're about an hour from Las Cruces. So let's go at it right now, but don't leave because I'm going to share with you what's going on right behind me, okay? Let's go. Okay guys, remember we're here at Deming on this beautiful piece of land. I mean, I'm gonna tell you guys, look, there's some homes over there. So there's already houses all along this street. Now we are on 1 acre. So there is gas already that just needs to be brought over here, you know, because they have natural gas. And then the acreage is from here. Let me show you, like from here, right? Here's a stake right here, right there. And then it goes all the way to like that power pole. So it's a big square. So from here, you walk this way, nice flat piece of land out in Deming, New Mexico. Let me tell you the price right now. Here's the other stake right there. Right here, this one here, and it goes all the way over there, and you can see the other stake. Let's see if I can zoom in more. Right there, right there's a stake right there. So it's 1 acre, nice piece of land out in Deming, New Mexico for only $15,000. Yes, you heard right. Deming has a lot of land and a lot of people are moving because of affordability. Now you can get yourself something like this for 1 acre and build your dream home. You can, guys, out here in Deming, New Mexico, where it's very affordable. $15,000. Now remember, you would need a septic, you would need water, and there is the power, there's the gas. So there it is, guys. If you guys have any questions and you're looking for cheap land, somewhere to retire out here in Deming, here it is, guys. We just show you what it still looks like. It's just a bunch of raw land still. There's homes all around. Some houses there. Other houses over there. Here we go. All right, guys, if you guys have any questions, send us a text, shoot us an email. We'll be more than happy to help you get this piece of land. Let's do it. Let's go ahead, guys, and let's go to our home. All right, guys, remember, we're at Deming, and we're going to see this beautiful house here that we actually got for some clients. And this is just so you can see the neighbors right here, what the neighborhood looks like. So it's a nice community here in Deming. Let's go inside and check out the house. They have a really nice garden. Oops. All right, so as soon as we come into the house, this is how the skylight right here as soon as we come into the house. We're gonna go ahead and see the 2 bedrooms on this side, okay? We're gonna start with this bedroom here. I love these wood doors. These are real wood doors, wonderful. There's the restroom. Another wonderful skylight. This is bedroom number 2. Like I said, I love all this house has real wood doors all around. And I love these wooden beams. They're real wood beams that add so much character to the home. Let's go ahead and go into the living room. I love the fireplace. Wonderful kitchen, good size. Plenty of natural light in this house. Beautiful, beautiful house. You have your gas stove right here. Wonderful. Your hooded vent. Here's the living room, and I love that piece right there. Look at that. Wonderful. Here's the fireplace on this side as well. And then you have your wood beams, real wood beams that add so much character. And then you have your entertainment center. And as we go this way, it is a 2-car garage. You have your nice washer and dryer with your skylight. That is the garage. And then as we come into the main bedroom, this is the main bedroom. Here we go. Main bedroom. Look at that natural light. You don't even have to turn off lights right there. Wonderful. You have your walk-in shower right there. And then your tub. This is a closet, and then your water closet, your throne. Yeah. So this house, guys, they were able to purchase it for around $220,000. It did need some repairs, but it's a good sized home, 1,940 square feet, I believe. And let's go outside too. How do I go outside? There we go. And they have this other little area over here, which is nice. It's actually an enclosed patio. Like another little kitchenette area. And then you have your backyard. This is the backyard. Wonderful. The storage room back here. You have your private entrance to come out through the alleyway. There's an alley. These beautiful pine trees over here. And you have a beautiful view of the mountains. This is how I see them, right there. Oop. So this is just one home, guys, out here in Deming, New Mexico. Small town. Yes, it is. It's smaller than Las Cruces. However, if you are looking for an affordable small town in New Mexico, you're looking for real property or just property in New Mexico, then this is a place to also consider. All right, guys, don't go. We still have more things we want to show, food and thing to do. Stick around, stay with me. This is actually a park. Come out, relax, read a book, just take a stroll, a little walk. Do you like fishing? Nice fishing area here in Deming, New Mexico. Nice, guys. All right, let's keep getting to know Deming. This is just to show another community here in Deming. I believe this is the Country Club Estates. That's the name of this community here. Beautiful houses, southwestern style. If you'd like to build your own home here, there are lots available as well. You got the mountains over there as well. All right, guys. So every year here in Deming, New Mexico, there's a duck. They have duck races, and every year during this time, a lot of people come out. As you can see behind me, there's a carnival. There's a lot of things happening here in Deming. So let's go ahead and just check out the place where we're at right now. All right, guys. These are the duck races.
I got a couple nods. I'll take that as a yes. All right. And in 3,
La carrera de los
2,
tacos.
1, go. All right. In first place, we have lane 3. In second place, we have lane 2. Congratulations, guys.
All right, guys, this is the famous duck races here in Deming. There are a lot of people here, as you can see, but this is where the water is. So if you guys are out visiting Deming, New Mexico, you have to come out for the duck races right here. There's food, there's a carnival, there's concerts at night. So come on out, guys.
Appreciate it, guys. You guys are doing great.
So here are all the racing ducks right here. All right, this is the line for the duck races. All these people want to race the ducks.
In 3, 2, 1, go.
Race is on. All right.
Are watching. All right. Keep that in mind. We'll start with the duck's feet on the board, and when I say go, are you guys ready? And in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, in first place, we have lane 3, and in second place, we have lane 4. Congratulations, guys.
Just want to show all these vendors and their food. That way you guys can see. Lots of food. Barbecue, tacos, burritos. I mean, there's merchandise. You need jewelry. Fresh lemonades right here in the back. Elotes over here on this side in the back. Now, guys, they have the best tacos here in Deming. So if you're ever out visiting Deming, New Mexico, you got to come to the El Taco stand. Look them up on Facebook. Follow them. They have wonderful, wonderful food. All right, guys, looks like my mic went off. So these were shrimp tacos, very delicious shrimp tacos. So if you're ever out visiting Deming, come to the taco stand. All right, guys, there's also the carnival side on this side, so you guys can see. Look at that. Plenty of rides for everybody. There's even a merry-go-round over here on this side. Another fun thing to do.